Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to this unique English learning class. In today's class, we are going to focus about some past exercises, past activity, and I'm going to explain you the difference between different structures in the past. So let's begin the class. Usually we have three types of situations in the past, like we have a simple past, recent past, and super past. Like we have distributed the past activities into three different categories. So when we say like a simple past, it means something we are talking about that has happened in the past, but we are not sure when it happened. For example, I went to the USA, or you say I took food at night, or you say I lived in Australia for 3 years. It means you're talking about the past, but you're not sure when it occurred. Now, the second we talk about recent past, and when we say about the recent part, it means something that has happened recently, and we use this sentence by making the structure like has, have plus done. Like I have finished my lunch, or I have come here, my father has called me. So it means something that has happened for the last time. Generally it happens, but something has happened recently, we say has, have plus done. And the last we talk about had plus done, and that we say as a super past, because that we use when we have to give a sequence in the past, when there are two activities we are talking about. Let me give you the example for that also. Like before coming to the class, before the teacher came to the class, the student had already came inside. It means we have two activities. One, the teacher came to the class. Another one, the student has arrived. So we need to give a sequence, meaning we have to say the teacher before the teacher came, meaning the teacher came after the students. The student had already entered the class. It means there are two activities, the coming of teacher and the coming of student. So student had come before the teacher. And these are the two sentences where we give sequence to both of them, right? So that we call like a super past. So we studied three different sentences, like a simple past, recent past, and super past. So when we say simple past, we go for second form of verb using did, just like he met me on the way. My father called me to buy some clothes. When we say recent past, so we say has or plus done, and we make a sentence like I have seen the Eiffel Tower, or I have finished my exam, like that. And when we say had plus done, it means we talk about the super past. So try to make sentences using all of these structures, and if you have still any problem or you want to know more about the kind of grammatical structure, you can message me, you can comment in the comment box, or in the about section of this video there are the contact details. You can contact me. So thank you so much for giving your time, and have a happy time.